What if I told you that you could make $1 per email subscriber per month? What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how email lists could help you make money. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, I talk about income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Let's get started. 9 top ways to make money from your email list. 1. Sell your own course. A great way to do this is using teachable.com or Kajabi, right? If you head over to SPI Courses, that's a platform by the famous Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income, you're going to see tons and tons of awesome courses that he's putting up. Here are 4 steps I recommend for you to do this. 1. Pick just one customer, help the customer to fix their problems, document the process you use to fix this problem, and finally, offer it as a course. That's simple, right? 2. Sell other people's products. All right, you could easily reach out to a company and ask them to let you promote their products to your audience. Now, this is great because there is no inventory needed. It is almost at zero cost, and also all you need to get started is your email list. Now, by the way, I did a video a few days back about how you could build up your email list. Look right up, you're going to see a link to that video, so check it out. 3. You should try coaching and consulting. The benefit of this is that you could turn this into an info product, and moreover, you get to decide your prices. 4. You could summarize content. So one of the great guys that does this is the guys at Morning Brew. All right, so you get to curate content, summarize it, and you push it out. So this has 2 key benefits. 1, all you need to do is to curate content. Secondly, find sponsorships of people who want to show their product or services on or in your emails to your email list. A great way for you to find sponsors would be for you to check out people who are already advertising their products on Facebook, on YouTube, on Google, and reach out to them. And what matters isn't just about the number of people on your email list. It also matters that the people there are high quality leads. 5. You could sell a book through email. All right, so this has been perfectly done by the author of the book Atomic Habits, James Clear. I heard he's made over 2 million sales just using his email list. Now, the top benefit of this is that you earn 100% of revenue compared to when probably you put it out on Amazon, who will definitely have a share of the cuts of the revenue you're making. Number 6, and my favorite, is affiliate marketing. All right, so in this model, you simply recommend products and services to people in your email list and they buy. All right, so there are awesome platforms that could help you do this and get this kind of products and services. Or you could check out clickbank.com, you could check ShareSale, you could check out Amazon. Number 7, sell a software product. All right, now you could get an idea of a problem that your email list has, and then you create a software product that will help them solve this problem. Okay, so if you're not good with coding, if this is not your thing, you could always head over to Fiverr and find someone to handle that for you. I'll leave a link down below for you to head on to Fiverr and do that. Numero 8, right? You could host an event or a workshop. Now, this is so much easier to do right now because you could use platforms such as Zoom or Eventbrite. If this is something you feel you can't handle alone, it's always a great suggestion for you to partner with someone and then split the revenue with them. Number 9, and the last, sell ads directly. You could sell to people directly on your email list. Leave a comment down below which of these are you going to start implementing right away. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.